Hey you guys, this is Noah here with a 2013 Chevy Avalanche. I know a lot of you sometime is getting this problem where you go to crank the car and it doesn't crank, it doesn't crank, it doesn't crank. Everything pops up, all that light just went off, and then when you try to start it, the check engine light and then the sign with the car and the lock light is a lockout comes on. You don't know what to do, your car won't start. This is what you need to check for when you guys get it. Go under the hood, and of course, you know, go to your fuse box here, and it's gonna be this fuse right here. See that number 2? That's the DLIS fuse. And if you look at the box, it's gonna be